Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special as it is about games. We come across a lot of games and most of them are heavy in size and causes storage issues. While some games are lighter in size but they have a lot of bugs and consistent ads in them, which makes it really irritating to play those games. But in today's video, I will tell you top 5 games under 2 MB that are free from bloatware, bugs and all kind of ads. Also, you can download it in both Android as well as iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So number 5 on our list is Ludo offline game. It is created by Mozo Studio and is given 3.7 star ratings out of 5. Also, it has more than 500k plus downloads. And this game is just of 2 MB. And another interesting thing about this game is that you can play even when you are offline. It comes with both single player and multiplayer option. And also you can play not just Ludo but also Snake and Ladders in this game. Since it is Google certified, so it is free from all kind of bugs. So this makes this game number 5 on my list. Number 4 on our list is Chess by Chess Prince Studios. It is approximately of 2 MB and has 4.3 stars rating out of 5 by Google Play Store. Also, it has over 100 million plus downloads and it comes with 3D interface. Also, if you are a starter, then this game will provide you a complete set of rules plus dedicated guide videos. Plus, the computer reviews your every move in every game. So, if you want to learn chess, then this game is perfect for you under 2 MB. Before telling you the next game, I would like to tell you that these games on the top 3 position, we have make sure that these games not only provide you fun and enjoyment, but also develops your skills. So let's move towards the top 3. The game on number 3 is really interesting as it is the Cube game by Buffalo Studio. It has got 3.8 star ratings out of 5. And is Google certified. Also, it has 1 million plus downloads and is just of 1.4 MB. If you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, then this game can be a perfect companion. Also, it tells you different tricks and algorithms about how you can solve the Rubik's Cube. Also, it has dedicated videos for the same by the experts. And this all is free of cost under 2 MB. So go download it quickly. Number 2 on our list is the Real Piano. So if you're passionate about playing the piano, then this game is for you, as it not only helps you and teaches you on how to play piano but also gives you score on how good you have played the piano. So it can improve your piano skills and also help you to grow. So this is number 2 on our list. The number 1 on our list is an application, not a game, but is super useful especially for teachers, students and office going people. It is Draw 15 by Derek McDaniel Studios and is given 4.1 star ratings out of 5 by Google Play Store. It also has 100k plus downloads and is just under 154 KB, which is really amazing. Also, in this application, you can write your notes and office presentation work. Plus, you can also draw different kind of diagrams and drawings in this application, which makes it super useful. And it is just under 154 KB. Also, unlike other whiteboards, it is not at all laggy but smooth. Its interface is also very good and easy to operate. So guys, these were our top 5 games under 2 MB. If you liked the video, then please hit that like button as it motivates a lot. Also, do subscribe to our channel as we keep on doing such videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.